Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to capture the Jambu Fruit Dove in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Jambu Fruit Dove looks like. And I'm going to show you the information about this bird. Hold on, let me open up my bird watching diary. Okay, this one. And let me scroll down. Oops, wait. Okay, this is the Jambu Fruit Dove, and basically guys, you can catch it from the suburb in any weather. And this is my first time capturing this bird. And for your information, my bird watching hobby is a level 7 if I'm not mistaken. Wait, let me check it. Okay, this is my bird watching hobby. Okay, I have level 7. So if you haven't unlocked this bird yet, maybe you need to reach level 7 first. And okay guys, that's about the Jambu Fruit Dove in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!